Digital marketing is the buzzword of the decade, right? But with all the hype, there's also a lot of confusion. Today, we're going to bust some of the most common myths about digital marketing that are holding you back. Myth 1: Digital marketing is only for big companies. Here's the truth: digital marketing is for everyone. Whether you're a local bakery, a freelance artist, or a multinational company, digital marketing can be tailored to your needs. With tools like Facebook ads and Google My Business, small businesses can reach their ideal audience without breaking the bank. Myth 2: SEO is dead. This one's been around forever, but SEO is far from dead. Sure, algorithms keep evolving, but optimizing your content for search engines is still crucial. People are searching for products, services, and answers every day. If you're not showing up, you're missing out. Myth 3: You need to be on every platform. Why stress yourself out? You don't need to be everywhere. Focus on platforms where your target audience spends the most time. If your audience loves Instagram, double down there. If they're on LinkedIn, go professional. It's about quality, not quantity. Myth 4: Paid ads guarantee success. Here's the harsh truth: throwing money at ads doesn't guarantee results. Success depends on your strategy, choosing the right audience, crafting compelling creatives, and monitoring performance. Without a plan, you're just burning cash. Myth 5: Once you go digital, you see results overnight. Patience is key. Digital marketing is not a magic wand, it's a long-term game. Consistency, analytics, and constant improvement are what deliver results. Be ready to invest time and effort for sustainable growth. Myth 6: More traffic equals more success. Traffic is great, but what really matters is conversions. You could have thousands of visitors, but if they're not taking action, like buying, signing up, or engaging, it's just vanity metrics. Focus on quality traffic that aligns with your goals. So there you have it: 6 digital marketing myths debunked. Remember, success in digital marketing comes from understanding your audience, experimenting, and staying consistent. Got any other myths you've heard? Drop them in the comments below, and let's bust them together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tips. See you next time.